So I was thinking of just like find something to do, just download this and print it really quick. It's a GoPro mount for the under. And let's see if we can find it. Downloads. It's a 3MF file. Where did it go? Okay, it's got to be that one. Maybe it doesn't like that. It does not like it. It caused it to completely shut down. I'm printing the fan shroud for that thing right now. Anyway, and then I'm also over here getting ready to do the ham clock, if I can figure it out. So every time I open that file, the thing crashes. Let's see. So the 3MF will not work. Don't know why. Let's try this again. So yeah, every time I open it up, it just crashes. Don't know. Weird. Okay, let's see if it'll work this time. Yep, there it is. It always puts it in a direction I don't like. It seems like. I don't want it to go like a. Let's go in here. Let's see here. I've had nothing but trouble with this thing, like rotating. See, that won't rotate it. Like, what do I gotta do? I literally gotta drag it. I mean, how come I can't just click it? I want it perfect at 90. That is retarded. Interesting. And so it's not perfect, which means we'll see a funny little line in it when it prints. Oh yes, who cares? Slice it, dice it, plug it in. Export. Like at this point, I just like want to print anything. GoPro side. I just want to like get a few things going. I probably saved this in the wrong folder. I keep doing this. Yep, I saved it in the wrong folder. Oh Lord. We'll click cut, paste. That way I don't have to delete it and save it and blah blah blah. Cancel. Alright. So this thing is doing fairly good. I'm just wondering how it's going to do when it gets to the top. It has no support. So I do like my cable holder. I wish it was a little bit, more flat. Okay, let's go in here. And we'll see what it can do. I can't wait to get rid of this piece of crap. This is huge. you can't see anything. It's like, do we really need all this? Is it really necessary? No, it is not. All right. I think it's working. Like I said, there's a gigantic shroud around this thing. Like, man, you really can't see anything. I guess some of these printers are way worse. So, it looks like it's okay. I don't know what speed it's set to print at. I wonder if you can tell when you hit tune. Hundred. Even at 100, when I print on my other printer, it seems like it's way faster. So as soon as this is done, I think I'm going to print a tool holder that snaps onto here and put the little tools over there. Or something, you know. Why not, right? So it's got, yeah, a few minutes left. Looks like we got some stringing in the corner right here. I think it's stringing. I'm just really happy this thing's working. Alright, looks like it printed okay. A little stringy, but who cares? So 28 minutes. It'll snap onto here and you can put a GoPro up here. Gotta wait a minute before I do anything with it. I'm thinking about printing a case for Raspberry Pi and then run the ham clock over here. But yeah, for now I'll have to find something else to print. I'm gonna keep this thing busy all damn night until it uses up all this crap.